In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tickets in a sprint in Jira. If you're new to Jira or just need a bit of a refresher, we're going to walk through it step by step to make sure it's clear and understandable. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to your project's backlog view. This is essentially your workspace in Jira where all issues are listed that haven't yet been assigned to a sprint. Think of it as a holding area where all tasks or tickets reside before being sorted into specific sprints. If you're not sure where to find the backlog, you can usually access it from the sidebar on your Jira dashboard. Once you're in the backlog view, you'll see a list of tickets along with their details laid out clearly for you. Next, you'll need to identify the specific ticket you want to add to your sprint. This could be a task, a bug, or an enhancement that you need to prioritize. Typically, the tickets will have titles or brief descriptions that will help you identify them quickly. You might also want to use filters or search functions if you have a very long backlog, which can make things much easier. Once you've found the ticket, the next thing you'll want to do is drag it from the backlog and drop it onto the desired sprint. This is a straightforward action, quite literally like moving a piece on a game board. When you click and hold the ticket, be sure to drag it carefully over to the correct sprint in the list. It's crucial to ensure you're placing it in the right location, especially if you have multiple sprints lined up. It's a good practice to pay attention to the name and the date of the sprint to avoid any mix-up. As you perform this action, Jira might, in some cases, ask you to confirm the move. This is a safeguard to ensure that tickets are not accidentally shuffled around. When this prompt appears, simply click Confirm to finalize the action. Do make sure to review the details in the prompt box to double-check that everything looks right before you confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully added a ticket to a sprint in Jira. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it. But these steps ensure everything is done correctly, thereby keeping your sprint organized and your project moving forward efficiently. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time.